The Quntis LED Monitor Light for PC protects your eyes against glare and brightens up your workspace. We open up the box and the first thing we see is the user manual, which contains instruction on how to set it up and the basic features of the monitor lights. Let's take it aside for a moment and bring out the weighted base, which goes on top of your monitor and also attaches to the light and cable for your computer monitor. Put that also aside and go deeper into the box. Next thing, we just see some extra accessories which we can use in case some things wear and tear, which should not actually, but it's good to be safe. And the next thing, we see a pretty long USB cable, USB-C to USB-A, which you use to connect the light to a power source. 5 volts is good enough. And then finally, you see the linear light strip, which goes on top of your monitor, which attaches to that weighted base I showed you earlier on. To set it up is pretty easy, and that's all that comes in the box pretty much. So we're going to put the box away just for a moment. I'm just going to stuff that in so I don't litter my environment, We got to be clean and neat. Putting that away right about now. So let's go ahead and actually set this up, attach it, and get it rolling on our computer. The USB cable goes to the back of the light, just that way. But of course, I'm going to detach it much later on because I got to attach the weighted base and then pass it through that. So I got the weighted base attached and the USB cable plugged in through that weighted attachment to the light. Passing it through now, and then attaching, and then clamping it on to that weighted mount, and bam. And that's it basically. You rotate it to fit your own desired style and lighting conditions. And then this is what goes on top of your monitor. Let's go set it up with one of my monitors in my home office and actually see what the experience feels like. Now that's the light attached right now. And I'm going to put it on my Dell 22-inch monitor. I have a couple of monitors, but of course I'm going to just use this for the demo. Once you clamp it on that way, you're good to go. And the next one is to plug this to a power source. I'm going to plug this to one of my USB hubs sitting on my desk and then power it on. It's as simple as that, just tapping on and off. I'm going to turn my monitor off and actually do that again so you see the effect of the lighting conditions. And then that is the auto-dim feature, which senses ambient light in the environment and modifies the lighting conditions to fit. And this button right here sets the color temperature for the Quntis LED Monitor Light. The next one sets the brightness level, which is in 4 steps on the Quntis LED Monitor Light. Now let's talk about the features of the Quntis LED Monitor Light right about now. I'll drop the link to purchase the Quntis LED Monitor Light for PC in the description of the video and also as a pinned comment in case you like to get one of these. I advise you actually do, because from the moment I started using it, it has actually helped me and brighten up my workspace. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any further videos just like this one. Till I come your way again with another interesting video, I say stay safe and goodbye.